Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. I really do appreciate. If today is the first day you are coming across this channel or you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, as you can see, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So sit back, enjoy this video, because I don't know how you felt about it, but I believe you got some sense from it. All right, my wonderful family, let me release the video so we watch it together, and I will be right back. I don't really understand what these Southeast governors they are up to. I don't understand why they don't want to support their own. I have a wonderful video here of our brother. He have said it all. August 9 this year, it's only ghosts that will be walking in the street of Biafra. Every other were closed. That is the instruction. And do you know that some lecturers have already put exam on that particular day? Anyway, let me release the video so that we watch it together. Don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I will be right back.
That one school put exam that the same on Monday. It's very, very funny. I hear it. That one lecturer put exam the same on Monday, on the 9th of this month. And I believe it's only him and the family will write that exam. That is what I believe. Only him and the family will write that the same exam. That is exactly what they want to be doing. Nigeria Fulani Janjaweed is going to force our lecturers, principals, and other organizations to make sure they disobey this sit at home. And I'm sending this message to any school. If you put exam that day, it's only you and your family is going to write that exam. Nobody. Only you and your family and a ghost, because a ghost is going to move on the street that day. I'm assuring you. Ghost is going to walk on the street of Biafra every Monday of the week. Start from on 9. What I'm telling you, write it down. Ghost is going to move around all Biafra land. All our heroes who died. All our heroes who died. You are going to see them moving around with their vehicle that day. So if you want to join them, come out. If you want to be on the school that day, come out. You are free. So that you eat with the ghost, study with the ghost, and do the exam with the ghost. Simple as ABCD. My dear Biafran people, don't fall in the trap of Fulani Janjaweed. If they tell you to put exam that day, tell them that that day is sit at home. If they force you to put the exam, put the exam. Nobody will come to write the exam. Simple as ABCD. Don't let yourself to be used. If you're a politician, listen to the word of the people. Listen to the word of the people. We say we want sit at home. If you're a politician, don't let Fulani to use you against your people. Because you are going to join your ancestors. You are going to join your ancestors. Men are not smiling. Men are not smiling. Men are not smiling. Don't let yourself to be used. You have to know that we are serious. You have to know that we are unbribable. You have to know that we are determined to achieve this our freedom. Why will you allow yourself to be used because of money? Why will you allow yourself to be used because of power? Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? That is my question to all Biafran politicians. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? That things are getting out of hand? Is it when it is too late before you realize your mistake? How many times will something happen to you before you learn? Biafran politicians, Biafran traitors, the saboteurs in our midst. How many times will something happen to you before you learn? Because we are going to get you. We don't care who you are. I don't care if you're my mother. I don't care if you are my father. I'm going to get you. We are going to get you. No matter where you are. No matter where you are. What I'm telling you, I'm assuring you this. If you know you are a politician, Forget about that position. When Biafra come, you will contest. When Biafra come, you become a politician that you want to become. In a rightful way, in a peaceful way, in a beautiful way. Proverbs say, the beautiful ones are not yet born. That is what they say. So, if you think that because of your position, you don't want to lose your position, okay, is it when you die? Okay, death is more better than life. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Is death more better than life? Is death more precious than life? That is the question you ask yourself. Because you're going to die. If you don't die today, you die tomorrow. Because our land is a holy land. Every saboteur will flush out. We will flush every saboteur out. All the politicians that is working against our freedom, we are going to flush you out. All the saboteurs, from businessmen to footballer, we have a lot of footballer that is a saboteur. Our celebrities, actor, musicians, call them, all of them. We know you one by one. You better change now before things get out of hand. Change now. Because start from on 9 of this month. Ihe ga na-ebido na-eme o. Ife ga na-ebido na-eme. Things will be happening. Start from on 9 of this month. Things will start to be happening. So if you know you are a saboteur, if you know you are a politician, please change your way before it's too late. Change your way before it's too late. We want our freedom. If the country is working for you, why is it that your family is in abroad here? Huh? Why is it that your family is in abroad here? If the contraption is working, why is it that when you are sick, you come here to treat yourself in abroad? If the contraption is working, why is it that no good road, no hospital, no good water? Why is it that life is so miserable in that forceful union called Niger area? The country is not working. Earlier time you get this thing to your score. Because life have no duplicate. Ndo adrokwa abo. Ofu mbia ndo kofu. Onye nwuru ongogwa. Onye nwuru ongogwa. If you die, it's over. If you die, you die. Don't play politics with your life. I'm talking to Biafran politicians. Don't play politics with your life. Listen to the cry of your people. Ndị banks na ebe nwata na-ebe akwa na-atụ aka. Ọ bụ na nne ya nọrọ ya, na nọ ya ga-anọ ya. Ugo eberugo na mgbagbu. Ugo eberugo na mgbagbu. Men are angry. No mercy. No mercy. Ujo adrokwa. Ujo adrokwa. I heard what happened in Oba yesterday, where unknown gunmen killed almost 2 politicians. Can't you learn from that? These unknown gunmen, do you think they are happy? They are not happy. They are angry. Even though we don't know them, they are not Eastern Security Network. We don't know who they are. But I strongly believe it's the brothers of those that Niger area police have killed. They are the brother and sister of those that Fulani terrorists have killed. They are angry. They are angry. They are angry. Don't let yourself to be used. Forget about anything in politics now in Biafra land. Just join hand with your people. Look at how Fulani are defending Issa Patami, a terrorist, a minister of communication in Nigeria. Fulani terrorists come out openly to defend him. Till today, he is still in the position. Though. Didn't you see it? Didn't you see it? Ndị ara ndị ocho. Didn't you see it? I'm asking you this question. Look at Abakari, Deputy Commissioner of Nigerian Police. A fraudster. FBI declare him wanted. A kidnapper. A terrorist. Still yet, Fulani youth, Arewa, come out to defend him. They say that they are not going to take him to anywhere. They say that America don't have right to come and rendition Abakari from Nigeria to America. But the same Fulani government went to Kenya to kidnap our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, without following the due process and bring him back to Nigeria by force. Do you think FBI don't have power to come and kidnap Abakari? Do you think America don't have power to come and kidnap Abakari? That is the question I'm asking you. They have power to do so. But do you know why they did not do it? They did not do it because they want to follow the due process according to the law. They don't want to break the law. That is why they publish it, send message to Nigerian government that, look, your deputy commissioner is a fraudster. Look, your deputy commissioner is working with hush puppy, duping people. They send message to Nigerian government. Before they even come, they send message, they call before they finally arrive in Nigeria since day before yesterday. You seen it? That is how it's supposed to work. That is how a civilized country works. That is how a civilized country works. But Fulani Janjaweed come out openly to defend Abakari. But you, Igbo politicians, your problem is your position. Your problem is to obey your Fulani masters. That is your problem. You prefer to obey your Fulani master and disobey the people that you are leading. Do you see how foolish they are? Biafran politicians prefer to obey their Fulani oligarchy masters and disobey the people that they are ruling. Instead of you to obey the people that you represent and disobey the people that misleading you, then do it opposite. Umekwensu. Fumu ajo mmụọ nchaga abunu n'anya. Ghana Pepe ga-abunu niile n'anya ofu n'ofu. Because ihe a na-emezi abụrụzi ụmụazụ. Unu ga-afụ unu afụnubeghi before. Ọgwụfụrụ nke ikpeazụ a anyị kwadosiri ọfụma. Nke ikpeazụ a anyị ga-agbanye ru telivishọn nọ na-afụ ya. Unu ga-afụ ya na ọ na-eme na ahụ. Unu ga-afụ ya na ọ na-eme. Ọkwa Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you better tell your masters to release our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before things get out of hand. Biafran politicians, you better tell Fulani Janjaweed, Fulani terrorists, to release our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before things get out of hand. And if you choose to use their life to play game, no problem. You meet the game. If you choose to use their life to play game, no problem. You are free to do it. You are free to take your decision. But what I'm trying to tell you, the message I'm sending to you, Biafran politicians, is that you are not going to go scot-free. Ndị mines na ọ bụrụ na o mere n'izu ome gịnị ome n'ọnwa ọkwa ume ọ ga-eme ọ ga-ahapụnụ agbatara ya n'ọsọ ejetere ya n'ije iyi na onwere na-ezo n'ụwa anyanwụ onwere ife na-ezo n'ụwa anyanwụ onwere ihe na-ezo n'ụwa anyanwụ. We know all your movement. We are monitoring all your movement. We are only giving you signal to change. We are giving you people signal. Anyị na-enye unu signal kunu gbanwe iyi na onye gburu nwanne ya abụrụ dike. Ndị mines na onye gburu nwanne ya abụrụ dike na dike na-eje n'iro nụọ ọgụ nata. Yes, dike na-eje n'iro nụọ ọgụ nata. Mana our politicians now, ha na-egbuzi nwanne ha, ha na-egbuzi ndị ha na-achị na-asịzi na ha bụ dike. Ịhapụzi onye iro bịasị na-egbu anyị. You leave enemy. Biafran politicians leave our enemy to come down to Biafra land, to rape our mother, destroy our farm, kill us, do all manner of things just to please their masters. But I'm telling you, please change. I am even begging you, please change. Tell Fulani Janjaweed that our people say they want freedom. Tell Fulani Janjaweed, say our people. Don't say you say, oh. Don't say you say. Tell them that people that you represent say they want freedom. Tell your master that people you are leading say you should release their Oga Patapata, their leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Simple as ABCD. Your own is to deliver message. Your own is to deliver message. We did not tell you to say you are the one who say. No. We did not tell you to say, please release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I'm the one who said release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. No. Tell the Fulani oligarchy that the people you are representing say, the indigenous people of Biafra say, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before 9th of August, before things get out of hand. Simple as ABCD. Simple as ABCD. You are a messenger. Every leader is a messenger. You are a messenger to the people that you are leading. Yeah? Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi is my messenger. I am from Enugu, Nsukka, precisely Nsukka province. Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi Agbogo Fulani, he is my messenger. I have right to send a message. This is what I want. You look onto it and you reason with me. So you are a messenger. You represent your people. Tell them this is what my people want. Because if you do not say it in a life, you say it in a dead. If you did not say it when you are alive today, you will say it when you are in the grave. Because eventually, one must happen among the two. One must happen among the two. Either you say it when you are alive, or you say it when you are dead. Because these two things, one must happen. One must happen. Either you deliver this message to Fulani Janjaweed now that our leader, our IPOB say release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before on 9th of August. Because when it will read, people will not hear beg again. No. Mboge dejiri doro. Mboge dejiri doro. Onye ga-egekwenti. Onye ga-egekwu nti o. Onye ga-egekwu nti. Guys, ụmụazụ dịkwa prepared. Ụmụazụ kwadogoro ọfụma. Ụmụazụ kwadogoro ọfụma. Ụmụazụ kwadogoro ọfụma bikonu. Because what this Fulani Janjaweed want is for us to be clean ourselves. But you, the politicians, are the one giving them chance. You are the politicians giving them chance for us to be clean ourselves. And IPOB don't like to kill ourselves. We don't like to kill ourselves. We value life more than any other thing. We value blood more than every other thing. But you, the Janjaweed politicians in our midst, you, the Biafran politicians, whom have sold your soul to devil, whom have sold your soul to Fulani Janjaweed, you prefer to die than for us to get our freedom. And that die is going to meet you. You see that death is going to meet you and your family. Opus Odema, William Obiano, Okezi Ikpeazu, Little Hitler Wike, name them. If you guys did not change now, what is coming is bigger than what you think of. Oh, you think you kidnap our leader? That is over. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Oh, you think you have kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? No, Google. No,